Another day in the 15th day celebration of Chinese New Year. This is the things that we do for this day. More food, and more food. These are the foods that we ordered for our lunch at this day. As you can see, this is Singapore mihon goreng or Singapore fried mihon. Very hot. Let's cook on me with fried egg and crackers plus the sauce and my drinks. Let's see. Very delicious. This one is on. This is the order of my eldest son. His one is lamb chop with fried rice in a very nice sauce. And my youngest son's order is a chicken chop grilled set. And last, my husband's order, nasi goreng kampong with belacan sauce, or we called it fried rice here with a fried egg. This is kampong fried rice. Ikan masin. Ikan masin. Oh, very nice. Red velvet cake. One slice. In the evening, we go to a place where we can eat the street food here in Malaysia, as my children wants to eat it. We start to order a honey barbecue chicken wings. chicken and beef satay with delicious peanut sauce. Satay is essentially a small pieces of meat like chicken or beef marinated in a blend of spices, skewered and grilled over a charcoal fire. A key component is the satay sauce, which is typically a thick, spicy, and nutty sauce made with peanuts, chili, and other spices. Satay is a beloved street food in Malaysia, with vendors selling it throughout the country. Here I'm enjoying this honey chicken barbecue. This honey chicken barbecue got 3 ingredients that really make it delicious: the light soya sauce, honey, and tomato ketchup. These 3 combined gives it that magical trinity flavor profile of salty, sweet, and tangy. The optional ingredient is the dark sweet soya sauce or ketchup manis. It helps to get the dark caramelization going a lot quicker to give it that gorgeous roasty brown. Our favorite ikan pari grill with sambal okra. This is a stingray grilled. We called it ikan pari here in Malaysia. This is a very delicious dish. This one very nice, the sambal belacan. Okay. Another delicious dinner in a restaurant.
Itu I like this ulaga. This one can be the service.
Ready. Very good. In Malaysia, you can see lots of coffee shops and restaurants out there that's selling different kinds of delicious foods in the daytime and in the nighttime. Either it's curries, Chinese foods, Malay foods, Indian foods, and top it all Western foods. Our foods are all so delicious. You can choose what you want to eat, and all here.
You know the color looks not that nice lah. The way you look of this one.
This one for this. The nasi lemak one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my baby. Happy birthday, Vincent. Birthday of Vincent and Chinese calendar today. We go to this restaurant as their specialty is the tauge ayam, which is so popular here in Malaysia. This is the tauge or the bean sprout that I'm telling from the tauge ayam or the chicken, steamed chicken with the bean sprouts. This is very delicious as this is popular here in Malaysia. What is tauge ayam or the chicken tauge? It is a dish similar to the Hainanese chicken rice. The only difference being the dish comes with a plate of bean sprouts. Here we ordered side dish just like the fishball and meatballs in the soup so that it will be blended with this tauge ayam to eat. And this is the steamed chicken that the Chinese love to eat. And this is char siu, a very nice pork that is sweet and delicious just like our tocino in the Philippines. Very nice, char siu.
You want ginger?
What is that? My son ordered some more side dish, a char kway chow soup as he missed eating this. Mix up this so that can see what is this. Like this only.
Yeah. That's like the rice.
At this time, we tried to eat in the Indian restaurant. So we are eating now an Indian. Just open so that can see what is inside. Dose masala, plus roti canai. Roti canai. This one is cheese naan set. My favorite here.